until tomorrow afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Neshaminy Creek at Langhorne. When? Until tomorrow afternoon. Impacts: at 7.0 feet, water begins to overflow the lowest banks, on both sides of the creek, into adjacent wooded areas. At 9.0 feet, flooding begins on Bridle Drive in Middletown Township. At 10.5 feet, Route 413, near Bridgeton Pike in Middletown Township, is subject to closures due to flooding. Additional details: at 7:30 p.m. Thursday, the state was 7.2 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 10.7 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 10.7 feet on September 7, 2011. http://www.weather.gov/safety/